Gates open, they're up and racing. Doña Leonora draws for your lead. Running by Rel Solar Power, Stormy Norman moving up on the outside. Then comes In Fairness. Engedi moving up in between runners. Just Awesome. While Cool Reception is running at the tail of the field. Past the half-mile pole and now heading to the last 600 is Stormy Norman moving up by the rail to take the lead. Doña Leonora shuffle back in second, then racing now in third. Just Awesome. Running by the rail fourth is entry number 5 In Fairness and Solar Power as they race at the last 450. Now we have Stormy Norman by about 3 lengths. Running by the rail. Just Awesome, Solar Power, Doña Leonora, and Geddes on the outside. And down the stretch they come is Stormy Norman. Just Awesome moving up by the rail. We Stormy Norman. Just Awesome moves up to take the lead. And finally, Just Awesome is Stormy Norman and Geddes. Then comes Solar Power and Doña Leonora for your Pentafecta.
Okay.